Chapter 12. Inhabitants of water. Many varieties of plants and animals live in water bodies, such as ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. There are more plants and animals in water than on land. Aqua means water, therefore, plants that live in water are called aquatic plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are mainly of three types: floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. Floating plants. Floating plants have roots that are not attached to the bottom of the water body. They have spongy stems or air-filled parts that help them float freely on water surface. Such plants are found in ponds and lakes where water remains stagnant. These plants protect small water animals from the hot sun. Duckweed, water lettuce and water hyacinth are some examples of floating plants. Water hyacinth. Rooted floating plants. The roots of these plants are fixed in the soil but their leaves float on the surface of water. Their long and hollow stems help to keep the leaves and flowers floating. The stems are flexible and can bend with the flowing water. This protects them from getting damaged by strong water currents. Their leaves are broad and floating, etc. Lotus and water lily. Lotus. Submerged plants. These plants grow completely under water with their roots fixed in the soil. They have narrow, thin ribbon-like leaves which let the water currents flow between them so that the plants do not get uprooted. They use the dissolved carbon dioxide in water for photosynthesis and dissolved oxygen for breathing, etc. Tape grass and hydrilla. Hydrilla. Emergent plants. These plants grow in shallow waters, usually in wetlands and along the shores. Their lower body parts are submerged in water, while the long and narrow leaves extend out of the water. This helps them to bend easily with high winds or waterways, etc. Bulrush and arum lily. Bulrush. Aquatic animals. A large variety of animals live in water. They include fish, amphibians, reptiles and mammals. Small animals such as insects, crabs, lobsters and prawns also live in water. Some aquatic animals live in shallow water, while others live in deep water. All the aquatic animals have some special features that help them to survive in water. Let's learn about some aquatic animals. Animals in shallow water. Animals, such as crabs, lobsters and eels usually live in shallow water. Crabs and lobsters fall into the family of crustaceans. They have their own shell, 10 legs and 2 antennae on their heads. Crab. Eels are long, slimy fish that look like snakes. They hunt fish, squid and cuttlefish for food. Eel. Seal and walrus spend most part of their life on the shore. They have shiny skin and strong flippers that help them swim in water. Walrus. When seals come to the shore to breed, they live for weeks in vast colonies called rookeries. Amphibians, such as frogs, toads, newts and salamanders live both on land and in water. When they are on land, they breathe through their lungs. In water, they breathe through their moist skin. Toad. Crocodiles usually live in the shallow water. They normally hunt for food in water. They often come to the shore and bask in the sun. Crocodile. Birds such as kingfisher, ducks, swans, flamingos, pelicans and gulls live near water. They catch fish, insects, frogs and worms for food. Kingfisher.